Hello, Mr. Aaron, Mr. Ryan, all right? Okay, so let's say we have a string pattern, yeah, tiger. And then suppose this string repeats itself infinitive time. What's infinitive?
Why tiger?
I know it doesn't matter. Or you can say Eric, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's change it to Eric. Okay.
Eric is the best.
Eric is the best. Oh yeah. Okay. And Ryan as well, yeah? Okay. So Eric, yeah? Eric, and then it repeats itself, yeah?
Why?
Infinitive time. So if I say I equals,
Rice.
yeah?
Rice.
I equals 3,
Rice.
J equals 10. So can you tell me the substring, the index from 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Here this is I equals 3. And then 10. 10, so it's I up to J, not including J. So it should the last index to be included is 9, right? So that 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, yeah? This is 9. Ryan.
So,
Right? So that would be, this is J.
Carica.
Yeah, so you need to tell me this
Carica.
string. Yeah?
Carica.
Make sense?
Carica.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. This is an easy question. So
Carica. Carica.
what's your thought about solving this? I mean this
Doing
is
what you did, obviously.
that could be a solution. That could be very naive
Yeah.
solution. But the thing is that we want to how do we find out? Because this string it's not existent. You can't put this string in memory. It's infinity.
Yeah.
It's in infinity. So we don't have this string a memory. This is infinity. Yeah? We can't put this string in the memory. So we need to do some math, right?
Math.
So we need to do some math. So we can go through this index. But how do we, the key thing today is that how do we map the index to the original index? All we have is ERIC, this index, yeah? So if I'm saying ERIC, C needs to map to this one. E needs to map to this character. R, yeah? You see where I'm going? Yeah? So we only have a copy. Yeah? And we want to go through the range, yeah? For I in, let's say, for X in range, we start with I up to J, right? So now we have this index X. But how do we map this X to the original index? Any idea? No.
Press the backspace.
What? Not the X. I mean, how do you get my point?
Yeah, you press the backspace in it, bruh.
Wow. Or backspace.
Oh, you just go back.
Which part?
Oh, wait, what's your question then?
Well, my question is this index X from I to J. How do we map this X to the original EIs? Because that's all we have, one copy. So how do we map this X to this C's to here? So for example, like this is 3, 4. Okay, so here is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How do we map this 7 to 3?
You just count them.
Count. Yeah, the count. How do we count? I mean, this is C. I equals 7. How do we make it 0, 1, 2, 3? That's my question. How do you remember this? Okay. Another example. E. When I equals A, how do we map it to 0? Come on. Do I need to give you more example of this? It's very obvious. Yeah, we count. We go around the table. So what kind of operator is this? I'm trying to get the thing out of your mouth. We go look 0, 1, 2, 3, and then back to 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So what operator is this? Come on.
Modulus.
Well done. Yes. Wow. I'm getting this. Yeah. I'm almost giving it up. Okay. Yeah, modulus. So we can just do this. Answer equals, at the beginning we put in a list. Then answer dot append. The original copy, let's say okay, X modulus the length, yeah, the length of S, yeah. Okay, and then now we can return, this is a list, so we need to convert it to a string, dot join. Okay, join answer. Yeah? That would be the easy question. The most important thing is this modulus, yeah, easy. Yeah, so we can even use the one line. return join. What's join?
Just join them, man.
What's join here?
So you join them by something?
What's join? Can you explain to me what's join? For look
So,
in range. Start
you
from
just
I
join
to.
them. Easy.
Okay.
It's called common sense. Common sense.
What's join? Come on, you are not explaining it. You're just repeating my question. So what's join here? What's join doing?
Join
Here?
is just joining it together.
Can you give me an example? Yeah, together.
It's common sense.
Yeah, okay. Can you explain to me like I'm a 5-year-old boy? Like, come on, explain what's join? I'm saying yeah.
It's the opposite of
Opposite of what?
split.
Well done, split. Okay, Ryan, you're listening. Yeah, right. Okay, so what's join?
Join is opposite of split.
Okay, so what's
Yeah, the
split?
opposite of split.
What's split?
Like cut in half.
Well done. Yeah, cut in half. Okay. So look, A plus B plus C. If this is a string, if I split it, split by a plus, then you'll give me a list array of A, B, C. Yeah. This is called delimiter, separator. Yeah, easy. And then join. Look, I can say, I can say X dot join Eric Ryan. So
Yo.
can you tell me what do we get here?
Eric dot Ryan.
No. This is X dot join Eric and Ryan. So what do we
Right.
get?
Eric X Ryan.
Well done. Exactly. Yeah, you understand it. Yeah. So you need to better, explanation. I know you understand, but the one skill, right? Eric, one skill is to explain it to other people who don't know it, right? This is a very important skill. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so another way of doing it, another way of doing it is this I, because this I could be very big, right? So if we modulus this length S, then this is the starting position. How many characters we need to return is J minus I, right? So if this is the number of characters we need to return.
Stop, man.
Come on, this is the number of characters we need to return.
Yeah, don't draw my fluffy.
What's J minus I?
So basically,
What's J minus I?
J minus I, obviously.
Is what? What's the number? What's J minus?
You subtract that thing
Yeah,
from
and
that index.
what does it mean?
It means that you kind of search.
So what's this number? J minus I. Come on, it's very obvious. What's
What you're looking for, man?
J minus I? What does it mean? What does it
Whoops.
equal? What does it equal?
E equals that green bar.
The number of what? Characters of the return string, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So if this is n, and the time complexity is O(n), the space complexity is O(n), obviously. Yeah. So what we're saying is that I module, that's the star, and then we can do this. I equals I modulus equals length S, right? Then K, this is the number of characters we need to return, J minus I. And then we need to construct a string that's a string that's not infinity, right? So P equals how many times? K times. Then we can do this S times K plus 1 time, right? Then we can just do this, return P I plus K, because they are K strings. There are K characters we need to return. Yeah? K is the number of characters, and we need to return from index I. I has been done this modulus to I plus K. Okay? Okay, that's one way of doing it. Okay? Yeah, that'll be for today. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.